Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and a very long overdue welcome back to the channel that is as well. I just thought I'd give an update on why I've been so absent with my videos really. Last year when I started the channel, I sort of planned it out that I'd do a video probably once a month, and then it sort of turned into a couple a week, and then once a month, and then it went into nothing. And basically what it was is, when I first started doing these videos, me and my wife just had a son, so I was off work, workshop needed doing. I thought, why have a go at doing the YouTube thing. And at first it was bliss. Your son, when you first have a baby, I was quite lucky, slept through the night, didn't do a lot, quite nice. So it was quite a good time for me to carry on doing these videos. But as the year went on, that changes. My boy started crawling around a bit more, needs more attention. Wife needs to do her thing. I need to do my thing. Business this year has been unbelievable, unbelievably busy, if anything. So it's been a bit of a challenge to sort of manage family life, workshop videos, and a business all at the same time. So that's just sort of a really update on why I haven't done any videos this year really. Well, since March I think it was the last one I put out. And comment off that, the response to some videos has been my videos have been amazing. So I really appreciate everyone who's take the time to watch one of my videos and subscribe as well. I'm up to 200 subscribers now, so I really appreciate all of you that have done that. Little finger on the side there. Right, so but here's a little workshop update. Basically, it's nowhere near where it finished, as you can see. I haven't really done much more to it since the last video, which was installing a sink. I had to put loads of things in here for storage for a while, so it sort of took a back bench to the workshop. But it's sort of getting out. I've realised I've got a bit of a box fetish. I just like storage solutions. I keep buying all these boxes. I've just bought these Stanley Fatmax Pro Stack drawers. I know they're the same as the DeWalt ones, and which I've got down there, but they're a bit cheaper. I don't know if it's because they're on offer at the moment, but it won't too bad. But I want to sort of swap all my tools from the T-Stack ones into like a drawer system. Oh, like that, just with all the bits that you have with it, and then bits like that. But that's mainly just for my DeWalt tools really. I'm going to use the sustainers. They're like because I do exterior work and interior work. My interior work, I just like my other I use a lot of Makita tools for interior, but I use DeWalt for all my external work. So I want to swap all of my DeWalt tools into the drawer systems, and I have all my Makita tools in the sustainers, which I want to get a little trolley for. And then when I go into my jobs, I can just leave them there, and they're all like nice and neat. Tools wise, I haven't really bought a lot this year. I bought a Henry. I love an Henry. But power tools wise, I haven't bought a lot. Price of materials this year has gone up ridiculous, so it's sort of cut into my profit margin a little bit, and I don't really want to stick any more money on top of jobs, because the second you start losing work. So I haven't really bought a lot. I've bought a few small bits, like there's things I've bought I've not even looked at yet, like a little digital measure. I've not even looked at it. I bought it months ago. I want to do a review on it, but probably come out of a new model. I think I bought this back in April, I think. Some digital calipers. for my like metal work. A label maker. Oh, that's great. Oh, look, I found this as well. There goes that Makita drill. Found it when I was taking a load of rubbish to the tip. I see online actually they're quite sought after, these drills. If you refurb them and stuff, it's even got the battery in it still. See, I'm gonna do this one-handed. No, probably not. There you go. Yeah, see, still got the battery in. I'd have to get some sort of charger for it, or probably even change the batteries. I wonder if you can swap them into lithium. That might be a video. Not really that sort of way inclined, but I always like to have a go. What else I could do? Talk about. That's it really. I am. Oh, oh yeah. The Makita rails, that's happened. I did one attempt on it, and I ballsed it up big time. So what I did is I did film it all, and I was gonna put it up when I made the good one, the good video for it, but that went a bit petong. So yeah, so that's still to come at some point. What else? I don't know really. Oh yeah, I bought this as well. Some flooring tools. Yeah, I've just bought a lot of hand tools. Nothing major. No power tools. Trying to save my money. Another thing without having kids. Yeah, I think that's it really. All the drawers have still got to be done. I know it's a bit higgledy-piggledy video, but I haven't really. I just wanted to sort of check in with you all. I'm actually going to do a video on boxes and the benefits of each one, and then that'll probably be my next one out, because the last one I did, my T-Stack video, the T-Stack 2.0 boxes, that took off really well, so I was really pleased with that. Yeah, I'll probably do that. I think I'm going to do the benefit, but I might buy myself a couple of the Milwaukee pack out boxes as well, just as a comparison. Only the little ones, just like little little sort boxes, just to sort of show them in comparison to everything else. But other than that, it's going to be a bit of a slow burner on the channel, I'm afraid, people. So for all of you that are subscribed, I really appreciate you staying in there and waiting for my videos to come out. But hopefully now, it's been a year since my son was born. He's starting to get a bit easier. That I might get a bit more time to put videos out and show up progress of the workshop, and even get in the workshop, to be honest, and do a bit more work on it. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!